Hi and welcome to my shower routine on days when I do the absolute most. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my pre-poo for my hair. I like to pre-poo my hair with natural oils. Generally I use olive oil and coconut oil. I apply this to my hair and I let it sit for a little bit before I go ahead and shampoo it. I find when I take care of my hair this way, it doesn't leave my hair stripped after I've washed it. It doesn't feel dry and it still feels moisturized, which is nice. So generally I'll microwave this for a little bit and I will add a bit of honey. I forgot to show you guys that on camera. But yeah, so here I've applied it to most of my hair and I'm going to show you how I apply it to the rest of my hair. Generally, I spritz my hair with either apple cider mixed with warm water. It's generally 1 part apple cider vinegar and 3 parts water. I find that really helps to soften my hair, and then once I add the oil, it goes even softer. So here, that's what I'm using. If I don't have that available, sometimes I might just use aloe vera juice or just plain water. And once I've finger detangled, I'm going to apply the oil to the hair. Whilst I apply, I just rake my fingers through just to get rid of any tangles that may have formed in my hair. Because I have thick curly hair, my hair curls up very easily and I get lots of knots. So yeah, once I've finger detangled, I'm going to use a comb to run through it, and then yeah, I'm going to twist it away. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos as well as the DIY tutorials. I'd love to know in the comment section below. So yeah, I'm going to twist it away and then I'm going to put a plastic cover over it. You can use just a shower cap, but I just use a plastic bag because that's what I have available. I like to massage my scalp with whatever oil is left on the tips of my fingers. This feels so good, so relaxing, and yeah, apparently it helps to stimulate hair growth as well. So yeah, it can't hurt to try it out. Whilst I wait for my pre-poo to penetrate my hair, I'm going to prepare a face mask. I do have a recipe for this on my channel. The only difference is this one has some gold mica in it and that's why it looks so shiny. I made it for a hen's night, so I made a couple for the girls that were attending that hen's night, and this is what I had left over. So yeah, it has a pepperminty smell and I love peppermint. So therapeutic to me, so yeah, I love it. Yeah, so I just go ahead, add water to this and apply it to my face, and yeah, that way I'm not just sitting down waiting for my pre-poo to work. At least I'm doing something else. So yeah, it's really cool when it touches your face because of the minty sensation from the peppermint. So once I've applied this, I'm going to allow it to dry completely before I go into the shower. At this point, my face mask is completely dried, as you can see, so it's shower time. So this is my shampoo bar. It's chocolate shampoo bar. I will show you guys how I make this eventually. I just have a lot, so I don't need to make some for a while, but yeah, when I need to, I will show you. So yeah, first thing I do is wash my face mask off once I get in the shower, and then the next thing I do is wash my hair with this shampoo bar. Clearly it's super lathery and it doesn't leave my hair feeling stripped at all, so it's beautiful. So yeah, I just massage this into my hair. I wash my hair I think about 3 times this time because I had just taken my braids out. I had had braids in for a month, so yeah. Once my hair is rinsed out, I'm going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I should have showed you guys, I didn't, I'm sorry. I just used 1 part water, 3 parts apple cider vinegar, and I poured that into my hair, and then I left it in whilst I washed the rest of my body. as you saw before, I just use my liquid black soap to have a shower every time. So yeah, I have a recipe for that on my channel, so if you're interested, I'll link it in the description box below. This soap lathers so well, and yeah, I love it. Anyway, so yeah, I just wash my body, and then once I'm done with that, I rinse the apple cider vinegar out of my hair, and I'm going to use my coconut milk and honey hair conditioner just to moisturize my hair. I use this as a leave-in as well, so I didn't just rinse it. I rinsed this one out, but then I used it as a leave-in as well. So yeah, this stuff leaves my hair feeling so soft. Like, if you're looking for a recipe to try out, definitely check out my coconut milk and honey conditioner, because I'm sure you'll love it. I let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I rinse it out, as you can see. For my whole body, I use my Shea coconut body lotion. I do have a recipe for this on the channel as well. I'll link it in the description box below. This is super moisturizing. You can use it during the summer, you can use it during the winter, whenever you prefer. So yeah, I use this on my face, on my legs, on my arms, every part of my body. Once I'm fully moisturized, I'm just gonna apply some shea butter to my lips, and yeah, I don't know why I'm making faces over here. So the next thing I'm going to do is my hair. My hair is like, you know, it's a different story on its own. It requires a separate video. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you, you know, what stuff I add to my hair, but nothing more after that. So yeah, I'm just going to add some conditioner and some shea butter. As you can see, I have very thick curly hair, so yeah, it definitely has a mind of its own. So yeah, I'm just adding my coconut milk and honey conditioner to my hair. I'm going to massage that thoroughly into my hair. This conditioner made my hair so soft, guys. So yeah, you guys need to try it out. And it felt moisturized all week as well. And clearly my hair is still wet. Natural hair problems, eh? It looks like it's, yeah, not wet, but it is. So I'm gonna put my towel back on just so I don't, yeah, wet my morning coat. So I'm gonna seal in all that moisture with my whipped shea butter, which I do have a video on as well. So I have a recipe on the channel. I'll link it in the description box below for people that are interested. And once that's done, that will be pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this kind of video, let me know in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.